We have different types of electric welding machines, which are used for different tasks. Today we will talk about this type of electric welding machine and its use in various applications. Plasma cutter. Plasma cutter. It is an electric welding machine used for cutting metal using high pressure. By using the tip of the gun according to the work size, the tip of the gun can cut thick and flat metal. For example, in the work of editing various structures. Inverter welding machine or electric welding machine, ARC, MMA. It is an electric welding machine used to weld metal with electricity manually, using ceramics as a power source and the tip of the gun that is different according to the size of the welding work. For example, in the work of connecting various structures. Without iodine gas. Argon welding machine or TIG welding. It is an electric welding machine used to weld metal with iodine gas and electrons. By using AC/DC power and different gun tips according to the size of the welding work. For example, in welding of thick metal and profiles such as building structures. And installation of electronic equipment. CO2 welding machine, also known as MIG/MAG welding machine. It is an electric welding machine used to weld metal with iodine gas. By using a mounting robot and a gun tip that is different according to the size of the welding job. For example, in plant structure connection work. You have learned about the different types of electric welding machines and use in various works. This will help you to choose the right electric welding machine for the job you want correctly, and provide better performance along with saving time and money on welding. For designers, welders and builders must know and use the electric welding machine correctly to make the work as desired.